Hello friends, welcome to our channel Lakshmi's Information Technology. Today we are discussing about fragment to activity on a button click. This is our fragment home fragment. In the main activity we can name it as a home fragment. Here we are creating for a button. Web content text fragment to activity id btn fragment text size is 15 dp. Close the tag, save, and go to Java file. This is our class file. Simply change it here. View equal to view must be written view semicolon. We are already created a button, so simply button object v1 equal to view dot find view by id r dot id dot btn fragment and with semicolon write a on click listener v1 dot set on click listener view view dot on click listener. Okay, main activity create instance of a main equal to main activity. Here main activity equal to class name main activity. This is the fragment, so simply get activity get activity semicolon. Then I equal to new intent of you can give main activity dot this or else get activity redirecting to main activity 2. So main activity dot class and with semicolon start activity I. Our code is completed. In main activity here only given welcome to new activity. This is our output. Okay, our code is ready, code part is ready. Now simply run this application. Gradle is completed. Install successfully finished. So click on this emulator. This is our output. Fragment to activity. Click on this button. We will get the output like this. Welcome to new activity. You can write your own design. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.